Greenbuild is a time to celebrate the notion that every single human being on the planet deserves to live a long and healthy life, regardless of their circumstances. That's why Greenbuild has a simple mission: raise the standard of living for people all around the world. We will explore how the green building community can address issues like climate change, resilience, resource conservation, and social equity. Strides in green building must include prioritizing the extraordinary challenges facing all of humanity. Harnessing the power of our global partnerships and expertise, we can work together towards a new living standard under which an environment is healthy and safe for all who inhabit it, from buildings to communities to cities to entire nations, because that is what every person on the planet deserves. And if we're going to work towards that reality, the time is now. Greenbuild 2019 Atlanta, a new living standard.